Good morning, guys. It's 7:51. Tristan and I are on our way to Lamborghini Newport to see the new Senna, and then the Regera I think is gonna be there. DD is gonna be there. So today's gonna be pretty exciting. So we'll see you there. We arrived at Lambo. I'm an hour late because I got lost. Tristan probably was here like an hour ago. So let's go see what they have. Choi's here. Okay, well, that was the event, guys. There was way too many people to vlog because there was a lot of cars, 3 eggs, the Draken, and then 2 other. The Senna was there, obviously. Dan's Centenario was there. A lot more cars. Probably the biggest Lamborghini event they had here. For like the amount of cars, the amount of people that came. We're gonna go to Cane's, get some food, and then probably go to Javier's after to see all like the drivers just all go to Javier's after like an event. So we're gonna wait and then wait for all the drivers, the owners, to bring all their cars to Javier's, and then we'll see that. Oh no, someone got in an accident. What happened? What happened?
Yeah, they're gonna have to call AAA.
Ooh, that sucks. Well, for us, we're waiting for like a couple of our photographer friends. They're meeting us here, right?
Maybe.
Maybe,
But
I
if
don't
not,
know.
we'll just go to Javier's.
Yeah, if not, we'll just go to Javier's. This chicken's freaking insane. Look at this. So good. Tristan's liking the food. And this is only like $8. So it's actually pretty cheap for chicken. Okay, we're gonna finish this and then we're gonna go to Javier's. Where are we going?
Let's just go to McLaren, I guess.
McLaren?
Like down there. Just pass by.
Okay. We're going to McLaren. I'll follow you, okay? Just wait for me.
Don't lose me.
Yeah, well, I was an hour late because I lost him on the way down here. That's how I came so late. You got to see like DD on the freeway, which I missed. But whatever, we're gonna go to McLaren. Okay, we're going to Ilusa actually. We're gonna stop by Ilusa. And then probably go to McLaren after. Isn't Ilusa supposed to be closed today?
No, it's Saturday.
Saturday.
It's open.
It's open. There's probably not gonna be much.
Did you not? I pointed at you. There's a Koenigsegg there.
Yeah, isn't that the one that we always see though?
Which one?
The one that they're selling, that we always see.
The white one?
No, it's like silver, isn't it?
No, it's a white and black one.
Okay, then we might have not seen this one.
Yeah, we've seen it just not recently. Last time we saw it was at Cars and Competition.
Okay, whatever. We'll just see it. Watch C2X. C3. Oh, there is 2 eggs. Oh, the Garrett. Okay. This thing's nice.
So pardon my voice. Sounds pretty sick. I just lost my voice, but this car right here, this GT2, 400 grand now. This car went up twice the price because of how fucking beast this car is.
It's more expensive than the new one.
Yeah, it's Widowmaker. They call this car the ultimate Widowmaker. This thing, at its time, was fastest at Nürburgring, fastest anywhere. And it's so beautiful. It has carbon all here. Seats red. This spec is amazing. This car is probably the one car I would get in this whole area right here. This is the one to have. If you guys have a GT2 RS out there, fucking lucky, because this is amazing. And I don't know, I like the old one, maybe a bit better than the new one. We'll see. Because this car is just unbelievably rare.
It's crazy.
Unbelievable.
It's rare. It's super rare.
Super rare. Super rare.
Okay, guys, we're coming back from Iluso. The worker there, he just came. He's brand new. I think he came here 4 months ago from Australia. Go check Iluso out.
Yeah, go talk to Richard.
Go talk to Richard. He's
super nice.
Super chill.
He's moving around. He's gonna stay around here in McLaren Newport. He's sometimes at Beverly Hills.
Yeah, he's super chill. If you know about cars and stuff, he'll talk about all the cars and all that like stuff. And if you're looking to buy a supercar, Iluso is actually a really good place to buy supercar.
They wholesale their cars, so that's why they're so cheap.
That's why they're cheaper than most other places. So go check Iluso out. We're gonna go to Pagani, Newport,
McLaren,
and
Ferrari.
Yeah, we're gonna go out to the
Pagani.
regular places.
After that, we'll probably head down.
Yeah,
Javier's. And then
Javier's.
head down.
So yeah, we'll meet you at McLaren or Pagani.
McLaren first.
McLaren. Okay, guys. Tristan said he just saw CCX driving up, so I got in Tristan's car. We're gonna try to tail this thing, see if we could catch up to it. Okay. No way. We just passed the freaking egg. You have to go follow. Shit. Jesus Christ. What?
Where did it go? It went right,
It went
right?
down.
It went down.
So we're gonna have to go back down again.
Did you film
Holy
it?
shit.
Did
No,
you get
I just missed it.
Fucking hell.
I just missed it. I heard it. I'm like, is that a Koenigsegg? It sounds like something, and then it just passed by. Okay, well, guys, we missed it. We sort of screwed up. It's fine. We'll just go to McLaren and just talk to the people there and see if they have any new cars. And we are back at McLaren Newport. We came here last week. Nothing really changed. Still the 720S. Another 720S. You know, typical. Tristan again. It's his burnt blue.
Come on, baby.
He wants it so bad.
I want that so bad.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go to Aston. We decided to skip Ferrari and Pagani because we've been there like 100 times, and we wanted to see if the Aston Newport had the new DBS that Tristan. I don't know if Tristan saw it, but we're gonna try to see if there's a new DBS.
I did not see it.
He didn't see it. He wants to see it. He's a big Aston person.
We own Aston.
Yeah. Well, whatever. Well, yeah, we're gonna go to Aston Martin Newport. It's a sick color. Also,
Oh, these are so
look at this
thick.
SVR. Oh, the SVR left. No. Where did the SVR go? There was just a SVR here. And then it was revving and it sounded amazing. Not this SVR. The Range Rover SVR. I wanted to see that.
Damn, their dealership is sick.
Yeah, but this is probably the nicest Aston dealership
V12 Vantage
in
S.
California. Okay, we're gonna go inside. Look at this SVR. Dude, these are so nice.
You don't have that one SVR
Look at this.
by Archie.
Look at this. The exhaust on these things are insane.
Like, look at the interior.
Jesus Christ, this is SVR is so nice.
You have that SV Autobio. Back then you get wrong.
This exhaust is probably the best sounding SUV exhaust ever right now.
Yeah, it's so nice.
It's amazing. That SVR is the dream SUV. This is like the best SUV you could get. Like the exhaust on this thing. Look at that. Look at the exhaust. Look at that exhaust. Crazy. I want one of these so bad. Okay, now where are we going? We're going home actually. I'm freaking tired. We woke up so early in the morning.
Look at the new lights. Look how much better the new lights are.
What, these?
Those are so
I'm not a big fan of Jags. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of Jags. So yeah, we're gonna go home. And if you guys, and that's probably gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please like, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.